If you have children, you probably have these wooden building blocks that are great to play with. And hopefully Kiki doesn't mind that I steal a few today, because I'm going to be turning these into a very cute vase for dried flowers. Let's have a look which ones I like. If you don't have any wooden blocks in your house, you can also just use some offcuts from some square timber. In the craft shop you can buy these wooden balls. Just playing around until I find some combinations I like. I'm liking all of these, and maybe I should add an orange one too. And when you're happy with your color choices, you're gonna simply glue them together. Bit of wood glue. A little bit of tape to keep it in place. Clean up the glue and let this dry for an hour or so, or however long it says on your wood glue. Put a little craft placement down to protect my table. The glue was getting everywhere. Right. Let me take this off. So now we need to drill a hole in here so our flower fits in. I'm using a 6mm wood drill bit. Let's see if that's big enough. If it's not, then we're going to change to an 8 or a 12. Great. To make it a bit easier, I'm just going to clamp my vise on here. You can easily use without a vise, but I have it, so I might as well use it because it makes drilling holes a lot easier. Clamp this in place. A quick sand of where you drilled the hole, and your vases are ready to be used. Who said gifts have to be very expensive? Little beautiful vases made from materials I already had in my house, and they make such a lovely gift. Perfect for dried flowers or faux flowers. And you can group these together. I think maybe if you gift like three of them, that'll be a very nice thing to get. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to switch on notification button so you don't miss any of my future videos.